Have you ever wondered why we often emphasize the importance of maintaining eye contact during conversations? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. Eye contact is a powerful tool in communication. It signifies attention, respect, and interest. When we maintain eye contact, we're essentially saying I am present. I am listening and I value what you're saying, but there's more to it. Eye contact taps into the psychological realm, instigating a fascinating chain of reactions within us. When our gaze meets another's, it triggers the release of oxytocin, often referred to as the bonding hormone. This chemical reaction can increase feelings of trust and empathy, strengthening our emotional connection with the person we are communicating with. So the next time you're in a conversation, remember, looking into someone's eyes is not just a simple act. Eye contact, therefore, is not just about looking into someone's eyes, but a gate made to build stronger, more meaningful connections. But how exactly does eye contact impact our daily communication? It's a question many of us have pondered. The answer lies in the power of non-verbal communication. You see, our eyes can speak volumes even when our lips remain sealed. They can convey an array of emotions and intentions, from assertiveness and confidence, to interest and engagement. Imagine you're in a conversation where words are flowing freely, but the eyes are wandering. It can feel disjointed, right? That's because the lack of eye contact can lead to misunderstandings and misinterpretations. It can make the conversation feel less personal, less engaging. On the other hand, maintaining eye contact can create a sense of connection, fostering a sense of mutual understanding and rapport. It's like a silent nod that says, I'm here, I'm listening, and I'm engaged in this conversation. Effective communication thus is not merely about words, but also about the silent messages you send through your eyes. So we've explored the importance of eye contact and its impact on communication. But what does this mean for us in practice? To recap, eye contact is a powerful tool that can greatly enhance our interpersonal relationships and communication. It's more than just a polite habit. It's a bridge to understanding, empathy, and connection. It's a silent language that conveys a wealth of emotions and intentions, from interest and attention, to respect and trust. The psychological aspects of eye contact are fascinating when our gazes meet. It's as if we're tapping into a whole new level of communication, one that goes beyond words. It's a subtle dance of non-verbal cues that can make or break a conversation, so let's not underestimate the power of a gaze. Let's practice good eye contact not just to improve our communication skills, but also to build stronger, more meaningful relationships. Remember, your eyes can speak volumes. Use them wisely to make your conversations more impactful and meaningful. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more interesting stuff. Thanks for watching.